Assalamu alaikum. How are you, boys and girls? This is the practical class, and I am talking about the microscopic picture of different tissues. What is this tissue? It's very fascinating. You can recognize it very easily. There are trabeculae of the bony tissue, and in between there are empty spaces. This is a trabeculum. This is the trabeculum. These are the empty spaces. And these empty spaces are filled with the hemopoietic tissue. This is the bone marrow. Can you see the bone marrow? Bone marrow consists of all the different types of cells. There are megakaryocytes, there are RBCs, WBCs, platelets, these, and also a lot of fat cells. This is the red bone marrow. I have told you where there is the spongy bone, there will be a red bone marrow. And this spongy bone is actually present towards the ends of the long bones. It is present in the sternum, it is present in the ribs, it is present in the diploe of the skull. Our khopdi, ये जो अपनी skull है ना, skull is made up of the this is the calvaria of the skull. The cap of the skull is made up of the bone, which is flat bone, and it has got a table of the. There are on both sides the shell of the compact bone, and in between there is a spongy bone. So spongy bone has got no osteons because there is a lot of empty space in between. Now, this is the microscopic picture of the compact bone. Can you see the osteon? This is one osteon, this is another osteon, this is the third one. These osteons are the Haversian systems. The compact bone is characterized, it is identified by the presence of these Haversian systems. And what is the Haversian system? Haversian system is consisting of, when we cut a section at the level of the shaft of the compact bone, you will find that the shaft of the compact bone is made up of millions of osteons. And what is an osteon? It is a circular structure. Can you see this is an osteon? In the center there is a Haversian canal, or the central canal, which is surrounded by the concentric lamellae. There are 5 to 25 concentric lamellae. You can see these concentric lamellae. So in these concentric lamellae are nothing but these are actually the collagen fibers, which are arranged in such a manner that in each and every lamella, these are the layers are known as the lamellae. So in each and every layer of the collagen fibers change their direction, and because of the change of the direction of the fibers, there will be the change in the refractive index. And when light passes through, the fibers are distinguished or differentiated in the form of 5 to 25 concentric layers. And in these concentric layers or the concentric lamellae, you will find in the lacunae, ये जो गोल गोल आपको काले काले डब्बे नज़र आ रहे हैं, ये जो, these are the lacunae, and these lacunae contain the osteocytes. So osteocytes are in the form of these concentric layers. In between and inside the lacunae, we will find the spider-shaped cells, which are the osteocytes, and osteocytes are also in the form of these concentric layers arranged in a very fashionable and organized manner. And this organization is called the Haversian system, and Haversian system is always present in the compact bone. In between these 1, 2 and 3, these osteons, here lies this place, this area has got the interstitial lamellae. So the compact bone is so compact that there is no empty space inside. There is no empty space, as I have just shown you in the case of the spongy bone. There was a lot of empty space, and these empty spaces were filled with the red bone marrow, that is the hemopoietic tissue. But in the case of the compact bone, there is no empty space. Rather, all the compactness of the bone is that all the bone has got the lamellae, that is the collagen fibers. So these concentric lamellae are the collagen fibers. As you know, the nerves are the collection of the axons, and when we see the peripheral nerve under the microscope in a cut section, you will find that these axons, they are joined together to give rise to the funiculi. Just like as we say in the muscles, the fasciculus is the bundle of the muscle fibers. Similarly, in the case of the nerve, the bundle of the nerve fibers is called a funiculus. So when we cut a section of the peripheral nerve, you will see that the nerve is composed of many funiculi. This is a funiculus, this is a funiculus, this is a funiculus, this is a funiculus. All these are the bundles of the axons. And axons covered by its myelin sheath, and it is then surrounded by the endoneurium. Just see this. Let me magnify this. So in a funiculus, this is an axon which is covered by its myelin sheath, and then it is surrounded by the endoneurium. The thin connective tissue membrane is called endoneurium, and then this funiculus, the bundle of the fibers, is also covered by a membrane which is called perineurium. And if we see the covering of the whole of the nerve, that is called epineurium. It is just like as in the case of the muscle. When a muscle is formed, the belly of a muscle, which is the collection of the fasciculi, that is covered by the epimysium. There is a perimysium, and then we have got an endomysium. So same is the case here. In the peripheral nerve, the bundles of the fibers are called the funiculi, and a funiculus is covered by the perineurium, and the whole of the nerve is covered by the epineurium. So you can see the epineurium. In the epineurium, this is the epineurium, and this is the perineurium. This is an artery, and this is the vein. You can see the artery and vein, and the difference in the artery and vein is also visible here. So this is another picture of the same, and this is a magnification. You can see this is an artery, this is a vein. Vein is always collapsed. The artery has got a thick wall, and its lumen is intact, and these are the bundles of the axons, and this is called the funiculus, and funiculi unite together to give rise to a peripheral nerve. So this was the histology of the peripheral nerve. تو یہ میں ایکچولی سلائڈس کی طرف دیکھ رہا ہوں. آپ یہ سمجھنا کہ میں کتاب سے دیکھ کر آپ کو بولتا جا رہا ہوں. میں یہ نرو کی طرف دیکھ رہا ہوں جو میری اس وقت موبائل کی سکرین پہ مجھے تصویر نظر آ رہی ہے. آل آر دی مائکروسکوپک پکچرز. یہ ہم نے کیمرے کے ساتھ آپ کے مائکروسکوپ کے اوپر کیمرہ فٹ کر کے تصاویر کھینچی ہوئی ہیں. جب آپ مائکروسکوپ میں دیکھو گے تو یہ تمام چیزیں اسی طرح کی نظر آئیں گی جیسے میں نے آپ کو دکھائی ہیں. تو چنانچہ ان مائکروسکوپک پکچرز کو آپ کو بنانا بھی ہے, ان کو آپ کو یاد بھی کرنا ہے. ڈرا اینڈ لیبل ڈایاگرام کا کویسچن آ جاتا ہے, اور آپ نے اپنی نوٹ بکس بھی تیار کرنی ہیں. آپ وہ نوٹ بکس تیار کر کے مجھے آن لائن دکھاؤ گے. میں اب اگلے دنوں میں انتظار کروں گا کہ آپ اپنی کاپیز مکمل کر کے, اپنی نوٹ بکس مکمل کر کے آپ جو ہے مجھے واٹس ایپ کرو گے اپنے گروپ میں, اور میں اس پر حاضری بھی لگاؤں گا. اور اس کے ساتھ ساتھ جو ہے وہ اب آپ اپنے ایک ٹیسٹ کے لیے بھی اپنے آپ کو تیار کر لو. تو یہ آج کے لیکچرز ہیں. میں کوشش کر رہا ہوں کہ آپ کا کورس جو ہے وہ مکمل ہو جائے. ہم 15 جولائی تک آپ کا تمام کورس مکمل کر دیں گے, اور اس کے بعد پھر آپ جو ہے وہ اپنی پڑھائی شروع کریں. انشاءاللہ تعالیٰ کوشش کریں گے, ہم لوگ یونیورسٹی سے کہیں گے تو آپ کے اگزامز ان ٹائم لیں, اور اللہ تعالیٰ سے دعا بھی کریں کہ یہ کرونا کی وبا جو ہے ہماری جان چھوڑ دیں. والسلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ.